Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Please note, do not fully tighten the screws until the chair is fully assembled. Loosely fastening the screws during assembly will help to ensure the screws will align with the screw holes. Only fully tighten the screws after the chair has been fully assembled. Start by attaching the bottom frame onto your seat cushion. Then, attach the top frame onto your seat cushion. Flip the chair right side up. Insert the footrest ring over the seat cushion. Then align the holes of the foot ring with the holes on your frames. Now, firmly tighten all your screws gradually in an alternating pattern. You're now ready to enjoy your new stool.